Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Okay.
Well, that is so nice. So I don't want to assume this project as well because I am seeing very great minds here, which is very, very nice. Well, could you please tell us about this project and how you came up with it, and most importantly, how is it going to help society? Because at the end of the day, when we are creating, when we are being creative in all these technologies that we have, God has given us the brain. At the end of the day, we have to see how has it helped the human society. That is what exactly we are looking for, not just doing projects that are going to benefit particular individuals, but how is it going to help the society in case this grew into a bigger project, because this is how small we start, and then later on we grow bigger out of our own creativity, out of our passion and innovation. So could you please tell me about this project?
This project is called the AA Dual Axis Solar Tracker. So it's used to maximize the solar energy that we receive from the sun. Solar energy is the form of energy received from the sun. So if you see some installations, they are fixed. The installation of the solars are always fixed, but then we've come up with something that can move, rotate, and it automatically turns and then tracks where the sun is strongly enough. So where it attracts, it tracks the sun. Afterwards, it rotates in that direction to maximize that sun, rather than staying in one position. When there is shade, it cannot track the sunlight. So this is the difference between the fixed, then this one is the dual.
Okay. So should we say that solar companies should actually get to adopt the system of using this particular rotation that can directly detect the sun? Yes, so that they can be able to get the best solar energy and they are not struggling, because usually we have a particular problem. You know where the problem is? The problem is that sometimes when it rains, the sun is not there, someone is using the solar for a particular day, and because the sun was not there, the light is not also so good. So do you believe that solar companies should actually adopt this mechanism so that they are able to produce good energy for the society?
Yes, we do believe that.
Okay, thank you. So anything else you have to add on to this project?
Yes, we want to explain it's going to take us through to explain the structure. Then me, I'm going to explain the logarithm that I placed in this computer that is going to help this thing work automatically.
Now what we have here are the light sensors, photo sensors. Now these ones can detect light from the sun, and these can, when they send, for example,
that's how
for example, now the sun is right here, so the solar is looking for the highest, where the highest intensity of the light. So that's how it moves. Now, as you have seen, that it can adjust, even though how much you try to change it.
Even though you change it again and put it in this direction,
then you plug it
programming, it will still move towards where the
sun is most intense.
Such that we maximize energy.
All right. Could you please now tell us about the logarithm that you put into the computer for this to be able to work?
The logarithm I placed in this system was that I placed that these are going to be synchronized with the system of the servo motors, that when this is receiving darkness and this side is receiving light, this one is going to repel. As it repels away from this one, which is receiving light, is going to repel away from that light, forcing this system now to do what? To rotate. Right now it is still plugged in. So it will rotate until when all these ones receive equal light. That's when it repositions itself and then get maximum energy. For example, like there's a side that is dark. What we do, we are going to plug in, and when we plug in, it rotates such that all of them try to receive equal light, and therefore it assembles where there is maximum light.
All right, well, thank you so much. This is a very good project. I believe after people watching this, they'll be able to run to Holy Cross Lakeview to come and get this great knowledge, because if solar companies knew this, I think they would be doing much more for the society rather than what they are doing right now. Thank you so much. Hello viewers, it is a very exciting season of the year today here at Holy Cross Lakeview Senior Secondary School, Jinja in Wanyange.